Hey, what's up everyone? Today I'm going to show you how to install a steering wheel on your SN95 or new Edge Mustang. I got a custom flat bottom from a company called RedlineGoods. It's very similar to the one that I have in the orange car, if you can see that. It's an OEM steering wheel that they flatten out the bottom. You can have tons of different colors, pretty much pick out whatever you want. This is the second version. It's a little smaller and thicker. The one I'm going to be installing in the video is the original one that I had gotten for the Fox body when I was going to run an SN95 interior in that car. But with the convertible, it actually matches that interior perfect with the light gray and charcoal interior. So that will be the car that we'll be using for the install today.
Alright, today we're working on the 03 Cobra. Filthy dirty. Mine is a pretty beat up steering wheel. So replacing that with a custom one I had done a while back from RedlineGoods. Also have another one for the SN. But we'll be using this one right here, swapping over all the parts. Pretty easy, steering wheel puller and some basic tools. Alright, getting this off is super easy. I know there's a million videos on it, but just take a screwdriver, pop that off on each side. There's an 8mm on each side, and you can just pull the airbag right out. Alright, once those screws are out, be careful, but you can drop the airbag, disconnect this clip right here, Allen heads to get those two out, take off your buttons, and then you'll hit this with a T50. Alright, so these come out with a 3/16. Then you have Phillips head here, Phillips head there. These pull out, disconnect, and then disconnect from right here. And you should be able to then start working on the wheel. Alright, steering wheel puller in place. Back that T50 out right here a couple turns so the steering wheel has some movement. Find the correct bolts for your steering wheel. My kit was like 20 bucks. It came with a whole bunch of different ones. And make sure it's set right and tight. And then you're just going to turn. The steering wheel should pop. Make sure your wheel is locked. That it popped, just remove this and your steering wheel, boom, should just come loose. Alright, now that this old wheel is out, just transfer all the stuff over to the new one. It's pretty easy, everything just bolts right into place. Alright, once your wheel's together, slide those two through. Wheel should fit on. Go ahead and put your T50 in, tighten it back up, your connections. Put your airbag back in, and you're good to go. And when it's all said and done, there you go. I think this wheel matches the interior of this car perfect.